Hello. Today we're gonna be looking at jet skis. Jet skis. Mini jet skis. We're gonna be driving one right now because I have nothing else to do. This is a very squeaky jet ski. So, uh-oh. So we're gonna be doing jet ski stuff, like crashing into rocks and falling off this jet ski. We might look for doxies too, and I don't think that's how water physics work, but I'm not gonna question that. Oh no, this does not feel good. Am I a little crooked? I cut to you when anything else interesting happens. Let's go out into the ocean. I'll cut when anything interesting happens. Oh yes, it's so wonderful out in the ocean. Very bouncy. What happens if we keep going farther out? I'm just curious. Let's see. Let's see where this wonderful contraption take us to. That I'm not even holding on to the handles because I can just turn without even holding on to it. Logic, right? I'm not even sitting on it the proper way that I should be sitting on it. So I am doing the right thing. Oh, and I'm having controller trouble. So excuse my weird expressions. My controller's being stupid and broken. Like a typical stupid Quest controller. Anyways. Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. Nothing's happening. Looks like I see the edge of the world from here. Whee! Sploosh. Whee! 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 Sploosh. Whee! Sploosh. 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 Watch it that something big comes out of the water and captures me. Guys, I think we're out in the middle of the ocean, as you can see. I lost the ski. Don't mind what's going on with my screen. Everything is perfectly normal. Everything is normal. So everything we're out in the ocean. Everything very waggy and very glitchy, so I may not be able to respawn back at my home respawn. So I hope you all have a great day, and hope while you stare at them waiting for my eyes are censored, and my mouth is censored. I can see why it's inappropriate to look at my mouth and eyeballs. I hope you all have fun while I'm stuck out in the middle of the ocean with no one to rescue me. Bye, everyone.